Hello and thank you for joining us today. In this video, we will talk about what is faster, to change oil and rotate tires in your, let's say, Toyota Highlander at home or go to a shop. Let's say you were able to purchase the oil and filters online, or you went to a store on your lunch break and here you are. You have all the elements, your oil, your filters at home, and you got enough tools to get it done. And also, you decide, while I have time with my son here on the weekend, see if we can also teach him and introduce him to the car maintenance program as well. He just asked me a question, why do you switch the tires? And I had to explain that the front tires actually wear out a little faster than the rear because rears do not turn, and you got a lot more pressure putting on the outside edge of the front tires. So here is already one benefit. So now we are going to do this together. We'll change the oil and we'll rotate the tires. You ready? Okay, so let's roll it. So here we are. It is 4:02. In about 40 minutes it's gonna be done. And in about 45 minutes my wife has to go to her boss's party. So we are on tight time frame here and we're going to roll it. Let's do it. Keep going. I'll be back in a sec. Work right here?
Yeah, right there.
So it is 4:59. Took us a little longer than anticipated, but still under an hour. I figured it takes about 15 to 20 minutes to get to the shop and then back. This way we finished under an hour. This is our first time. We ran into a couple of complications, but overall it was fun. Got to spend time with my man Daniel here. He is learning about cars, helping me. We changed oil, rotated tires, and all of that in about 45 to 50 minutes. I think next time, if we are to do this, it will probably take us, I would say, no more than 30 to 40 minutes. The complication we had was the main one due to this guy right here. So this is my oil pan or oil wrench, and it's just, when I measured it, or I put it on, it was tight, but was not holding tight enough on the filter housing of this particular engine, because this is plastic and I used it before on a plastic housing. This is metal housing, and it was just not tight enough. When I was trying to untie it, it was clicking over. But we were able to still untie it, put the new filter in, put the new oil in, tires rotated, and like I said, 45 minutes. If you can do this, please do it with your son, do it with your daughters, have fun, and voila, and it still takes you less time. And instead of, you know, sitting waiting there with you and your son, your wife, your daughter on the phone, you actually can do it yourself and have some fun. Was it fun?
Yes.
Yeah? What did you learn? Now you know how to put the wheel on, right? How to align it. Now you know what the rotation is for, right? You're getting there. Okay, so here we go. My man Daniel and I here. Thanks for joining us. If you like the video, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.